What is going on, guys? It's Ethan Weber today, and welcome back to another great video. Today's video is going to be a little different. It's not GTA 5 content for some reason. Well, not for some reason. How stupid I sound. I'm playing Roblox right now, developing, but that's not about that. Which I'll be posting a video about that today, possibly a live stream. Stay in tune. But today's video is all about the fire alarm. I made some modifications. Got that little thing up there, that new casing. So here's some modifications. I finally have a panel for it, homemade. It's not really homemade, it's just got something in it. High volts. Now if we open it, we have a what is it? A 24 volt power supply under with 120. That's not that big of a deal. Then we got an on and off switch that's not currently wired to nothing right now. I'm planning on getting something hooked up to it, but not as soon as possible. So yeah, new fire alarm casing. We have a new Simplex 4909 casing, remote strobe only. I have a prayer light hooked to it, so that's how you all can see. Simplex. Then y'all follow this wire down. And y'all really see all my other videos. I have this thing, but this thing a BG12 anymore. I don't really know if they call it the new ones, but y'all will see for yourself in 3, 2, 1. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. I added 2 red LED lights inside of it when I pull it. For some reason, when I wired it, it messed that light up, or the wiring. So yeah, we open it. We got 2 red LED lights, 4K resistors, about 2 of them, one right there and one right there, blue. And 2 holes. But yeah, so if we switch off, the pink LED lights, but they're originally red, so we'll do it again. Red LED lights pop on. But yeah, so I just got to do this update, real quick update, and I'll make sure I show y'all when I get the full system. And stick around. Alright, peace, and like and subscribe.